I want to do a quick review on the Harbor Freight torque wrench. I don't torque things down very often, but I do need one. To be honest, I just did a head swap on my Camaro. I've done a head swap on my Nova before as well. So I just want to show people my $20 Harbor Freight torque wrench and compare it to a Craftsman torque wrench that I'm borrowing from a friend. So I'm going to see if it's more or less comparable to the Craftsman one. So first I'm going to torque a couple lug nuts to 30 foot-pounds, then I'll go to 50, then I'll go to 70 on my wheels here. Also 30 foot-pounds. Try this at 50. Foot-pounds. Where was I? All right. So there you are. Seems pretty accurate. For 20 bucks, it's not bad. So if you need one and you don't have a friend nearby with a torque wrench, I would recommend this Harbor Freight torque wrench in a pinch. All right, thank you. That like button, hit that subscribe button, and see you later.